Assalamualaikum friends, today I will show you how to download TeamViewer on your laptop and remotely control your laptop or your Android device through the laptop. You can also control your laptop on your Android device by using the same software which is available on Play Store as TeamViewer, and you can also remotely control your mobile on your laptop by using the same procedure. Here I will show you how to download the TeamViewer official version. Here you can download the latest version of the TeamViewer. As I have downloaded it already on my laptop, I will next show you the screen of my mobile. But before it, you may notice here on the partner ID, you have to write the mobile's ID and connect. Let me show you the mobile screen. Now, here we write the TeamViewer link, which is a partner ID on my mobile Android device as I have shown. Here my mobile screen will be shown. TeamViewer will be downloaded from the Play Store. Here I have already downloaded. This is the Play Store official version. This is TeamViewer Quick Spot. Here just wait for a few seconds. Your ID will be shown as the TeamViewer activated. Here this ID is shown. Just add it to the laptop screen. I will show you how you add the ID to your laptop. Now on my laptop screen I have started TeamViewer and written my ID on this bar and just press connect. Press connect. Here my mobile shows allow remote spot. I will allow it. Here my screen changes and it will show my mobile screen on the laptop. On the mobile screen, it again asks to let the quick spot will start capturing everything that displayed on your screen. Just start now and see. Here you can connect your mobile to the laptop. You can only share your screen to the laptop. Same goes for the laptop. If you want your laptop screen to be on your mobile, just here on this TeamViewer, write laptop partner ID, which is written over here, this and this password, and just press remote control. Your laptop will be shown on your mobile. Similarly, your laptop shows your mobile screens. It is just the same procedure for Android to Android or Android to iOS devices. Hope so you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Sit with us so we can share more tutorials on YouTube for your help. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.